Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. Today we are on the Warren Forks Nature Trail and we're at the Jim Bales, I think that's how you say it, this place. So we're going to check this place out, and I have a little special somebody with me here, which I'll introduce to you here in a minute or two if they would like to be on, but they're driving around with me here. And well, we're going to check these cabins out and look around. There's 3 different structures right here, so we're going to check it out and look at it. And so let's take a look around here and see what's going on. Actually pretty roomy in here, so here's the second structure here. Park services kept up on this thing well. Let's go up here and check out this corner here. Well guys, here at the Jim Bales Place, I think this is Jim Bales Place. You come up you can start down the bottom here, or the top of the place. You can go on the Grapeyard Ridge Trail to Greenbrier Road. It's about a 7.6 mile hike. So if you want to go hiking, you can go do that one. It's really nice. Now let me show you the view from up here at the top here. Down there. So looks really nice up in here. So I'm gonna explore a little bit more, but unfortunately I found some trash, so I'm going to take out of here. But if you're coming here to enjoy this place, let others enjoy it too. Don't throw your trash, please. It's for everybody to enjoy. And this just ruins it for everybody. And it's not good for the animals and wildlife here. So, okay guys, let's take a look at the rest of this beauty that some idiot wanted to destroy with their litter. here with a special guest that's taking me around, showing me a few places along here. I've actually been on the Rolling Forks Nature Trail before, but today I have the honor of being with Susan from New Horizons. This is Susan from New Horizons. Her channel does handicapped accessible places, and all the profits and all the money that she gets from her channel actually goes to different organizations to help people with handicaps. So go over and check out her channel, and you can learn where you can go if you have handicap needs, and places that you can enjoy. And also, you can also watch her channel and help people with handicaps. Okay, guys. Well, so go check her out, and I'm going to finish up looking around here. And I just appreciate Susan and her husband Jim showing me around here today. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to head on here. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Take time to comment below. And again, this is the Jim Bales Places along the Roaring Creeks Motor Nature Trail in the Great Smoky Mountains, National Park, just outside of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So come check it out. I just wanted to say again, thanks to Susan from New Horizons for showing me around today. And well, guys, take time to subscribe to my channel and enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll see you guys next video, and I'll see you later.